God help me, save me, from the 苦海，上帝把我救出苦海，so I love God very much. God is my heavenly Father, my Lord, my happy star. More than 3 years ago, a friend 传福音 introduced me to the church, and then after that, every week, even every day, I go to church.
So you love God.
Yeah, I love God.
Thank you.